Hello, a warm welcome to you from SDT University. I am Sandeep Singh from Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Today, we will be learning about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. In today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with different new technologies day by day. Here, one of the booming technologies of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. The artificial intelligence is now all around us. It is currently working with a variety of subfields ranging from general to specific, such as self-driving cars, self-cooking robots, playing chess, proving theorems, painting, etc. AI is one of the fascinating and universal fields of computer science, which has a great scope in future. AI holds a tendency to cause a machine to work as a human. So, what is artificial intelligence? Actually, artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial defines man-made and intelligence defines thinking power. Hence, AI means a man-made thinking power. So, we can define AI as it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is the science and the engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. In simple words, AI is the way of making a computer-controlled robot or a software think intelligently. In the similar manner, the intelligent human think. We can say that artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. Why artificial intelligence? Why we need artificial intelligence? Before learning about artificial intelligence, we should know that what is the importance of AI and why should we learn it. Now we will discuss some of the main reasons to learn about AI. With the help of AI, you can create such software or devices which can solve real-world problems very easily and with accuracy such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. With the help of AI, you can create personal virtual assistant such as Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, and many more. With the help of AI, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of human can be at risk. With the help of AI, you can replicate human intelligence in an easy way. With the help of AI, you can solve knowledge-intensive tasks. You can build some system which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn new things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and advise to its user. With the help of AI, you can build a machine which can perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as proving a theorem, playing chess, plan some surgical operations, driving a car in a traffic. AI opens a path for other technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. Now, what comprises to artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is not a part of computer science, even it's so vast field that requires a lot of other factors which can contribute to it. To create the AI, first we should know that how intelligence is composed. So, the intelligence is an intangible part of our brain which is the combination of reasoning, learning, problem-solving perception, and language understanding, and many more. To achieve these goals, machine or a software artificial intelligence requires the following discipline: mathematics, biology, psychology, sociology, computer science, neural study, statistics. Pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Now we will discuss first advantages of artificial intelligence. High accuracy with few errors. AI machines or systems can prone to less errors and high accuracy as it takes decisions as per pre-experience or information. High speed. AI systems can be very high speed and fast decision making, and because of that, AI systems can beat a chess champion in the chess game. High reliability. AI machines are highly reliable and can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. Useful for risky areas. AI machines can be helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be risky. Digital assistant. AI can be very useful to provide digital assistant to the users, such as AI technology is currently used by the various e-commerce websites to show the products as per customer requirement. Useful as a public utility. AI can be very useful for public utilities such as self-driving car, which can make journeys safer and hassle-free. Facial recognition for security purpose. Natural language processing to communicate with human in human language, etc. Now we will discuss disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Even technology have some disadvantages, and same goes for artificial intelligence as well. Being so advantageous technology, still it has some disadvantages which we need to keep in our mind while creating an AI system. Let's discuss disadvantages of AI. High cost. The hardware and the software requirements of AI is very costly as it requires lot of maintenance to meet the current requirements. Can't think out of the box. Even we are making smarter machines with AI, but still they can't work out of the box, as the robot will only do that work for which they are trained or programmed. No feelings and emotions. AI machines can be outstanding performer, but still it does not have any feelings, so it cannot make any kind of emotional attachment with human, and may sometimes be harmful for user if the proper care is not taken. Increased dependency on machines. With the increment of technology, people are getting more dependent on devices and hence they are losing their mental capabilities. No original creativity. As humans are so creative and can imagine some new ideas, but still AI machines cannot beat this power of human intelligence and cannot be creative and imaginative. Now we will discuss applications of artificial intelligence. Gaming. AI plays crucial role in strategic games such as chess, poker, etc., where machine can think of large number of possible positions based on heuristic knowledge. Natural language processing. It is possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. Expert systems. There are some applications which integrate machine, software, and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. Vision systems. These systems can understand, interpret, and comprehend visual impact on the computer. For example, a spying aeroplane taking photographs, which are used to figure out spatial information or the map of the areas. Doctor use clinical expert system to diagnose the patient. Even police use software program that can recognize the face of criminal with the stored portrait made by the forensic artist. Speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accent, slang words, noise in the background, change in human noise due to cold, etc. Handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by pen or a screen by a stylus. It can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it into editable text. Intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the task given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump, and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors, and a huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistake and they can adapt to the new environment. For instance, Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by a Hong Kong-based company, Hanson Robotics. Sophia was first turned on February 14, 2016 and made her first public appearance at South by Southwest Festival in mid-March 2016 in Austin, Texas, US. So, we covered introduction to artificial intelligence. Next time we meet, we will be exploring foundation and history of artificial intelligence. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you next time.